Hi, this is a metal detector. It's quite an old one, probably dates from 50s or 60s. It has a large search coil here, but it's not for detecting buried treasure, it's for detecting anything inside an animal. So it's really for veterinary work to check livestock hasn't eaten something or got something metal inside. So we open it up, there are 4 screws holding the casing together. When we take it apart, you can see we have 3 valves or vacuum tubes in here. There are 2 supplies for this, which was something you used to see in old, very early radios that were portable. You have a low voltage, I think it's 1.5 volts for the heaters for the valves, and 90 volts for the anodes. And there used to be a battery made for such a thing with the 2 supplies built in, now no longer available. Very simple controls to this. We have just the part where the headphones plug in, sensitivity and off, service, it says in metal. So try and connect it up and see what happens. Okay, we have the valve heater supply, 1.5 volts on here and about 90 volts DC on this feed here, and I've also got a small amplifier onto the headphone output so that we can hear the sound. It's on just now, but we're not getting anything on from the coil, but it is microphonic. If I touch anything, you can hear the feedback basically there, but the coil itself will detect only mains. We can dig into this a little bit more, taking the screws out so we can have a look underneath. And I notice these capacitors have all cracked. So it may be worth replacing these. So there's quite a bit of moisture probably got into these. This is a ferrite plug here for adjusting for tuning. One final point, I thought you might like to see the construction of these headphones, the kind of GPO style headphones. A very fine kind of diaphragm on the front that just slides away to expose the magnet and coils inside here. Okay, hope you found that of reasonable interest.